Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve practice set 1.1 and question number 2. Our question number 2 is, if the coordinate of point A is x and that of B is y, then find distance of AB. That means here the coordinate of point A is x and we are going to denote the coordinate of point B as y. Then our first example is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 7. So coordinate of point A is x is equal to, here it is 1, and the coordinate of point B is y, which is equal to 7, and here 7 is greater than 1. So to find out the distance of AB is equal to greater number minus smaller number. So 7 minus 1, if we do the subtraction, then here we will get 6. Therefore distance of AB is nothing but 6. Next, our second example is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 2. X is nothing but the coordinate of point A and y is the coordinate of point B. So coordinate of point A is equal to x, which is equal to 6, and coordinate of point B is equal to y, which is equal to minus 2. Therefore here positive number is always greater than negative number. So 6 is greater than minus 2. So our formula is distance of AB is equal to 6 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus it will become plus. Therefore distance of AB is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Next, similarly solve the question example number 3. Now I am going to solve you example number 4. Our example 4 is x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to minus 5. Once again, x is nothing but the coordinate of point A and y is nothing but the coordinate of point B. So coordinate of point A is equal to x, which is equal to minus 4, and coordinate of point B is equal to y, which is equal to minus 5. Therefore this minus 4 is greater than minus 5. So distance of AB is equal to greater number is minus 4 minus and smaller number is minus 5. So minus 4 minus into minus it will become plus 5. Here we have to do the subtraction. Therefore distance of AB is equal to minus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 1. Similarly solve example 5 and 6. Our question number 3 is, from the information given below, find which of the point is between the other two. If the points are not collinear, state so. That means if the given points are not collinear, here we have to give the reason. First example is distance of PR is equal to 7, distance of PQ is equal to 10, and distance of QR is equal to 3. Here we have to find out that which point is between the other two points. To find out this, first see the distance. Given that distance of PR is equal to 7, distance of PQ is equal to 10, and distance of QR is equal to 3. Now here in these three given distances, see the greater number. Our greater number here it is 10, and see the remaining two numbers. The remaining two numbers are 7 and 3. Check whether the remaining smaller two numbers is equal to the greater number. Here distance of PR is 7 and distance of QR is 3. If we add both these two equations, here we get 10. Then 10 is nothing but it is the value of distance of PQ. So distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to 7 plus 3. If we add both these, here we get 10, and this 10 is nothing but the distance of PQ. That means here the addition of these two numbers is equal to the addition of these 2 points is equal to the distance of PQ. So we say that we can write that distance of PR plus distance of QR is equal to distance of PQ. In this, point R is same. That means point R is between P and Q. So, point P, R and Q are collinear. Therefore, point R lies between the points P and Q. So, we can write this as P dash R dash Q. It denotes that point R is between P and Q. Or we can write it as Q dash R dash P. It is also denotes that point R is between Q and P. Our example 2 is distance of RES is 8, distance of EST is 6 and distance of RT is 4. So, write these distances and see here in these three distances our greater number is 8 and the remaining two smaller numbers are 6 and 4. Now check this whether the sum of the remaining smaller two numbers is equal to the greater number. Here the smaller numbers are 6 and 4. If we add both these, here we get 6 plus 4, 10. And our greater number here it is 8. These two are not equal. Distance of EST plus distance of RT is equal to 6 plus 4. If we add these, here we get 10. And given that the greater number distance of RES is equal to 8 and these two are not equal. So, here this distance of EST plus distance of RT is not equal to RES. So, we write here distance of EST plus distance of RT is not equal to RES because these two distances are not same. If these distances are not same, then the points RES and T are not collinear. Third example is distance of AB is equal to 16, distance of CA is equal to 9 and distance of BC is equal to 7. So, while solving this, write these all distances once again. Distance of AB is 16, distance of CA is equal to 9 and distance of BC is equal to 7. Now see here, our greater number in this example is 16 and the remaining two smaller numbers are 9 and 7. Now add these two numbers. If we add both these two numbers 9 plus 7, here we get 16. So distance of CA plus distance of BC is equal to 9 plus 7, we get 16 and this 16 is nothing but the distance of AB. Therefore, distance of AB is also equal to 16 and the addition of these two numbers here also we get 16. So, this distance of CA plus distance of BC is equal to distance of AB. So, we write here distance of CA plus distance of BC is equal to distance of AB. Therefore, here point C is common in these two distances. So, point A, B, C are collinear and this point C is common here. So, point C lies between A and B. So, our final answer is A dash C dash B. That means this point C lie between A and B, or we can write this as B dash C dash A. That means point C lie between